The time has come for the massive machine to take your crown.
Don't make me laugh, Wendy. You are no threat to us. We are 20 points clear of you and will win this league easy peasy lemon squeezy.
But I'm a continental manager and we will storm up this division. Watch us go.
Ha ha. You Wendy's are so delusional. Even Sheffield United make you lot look like a pub team. Anyway, how is Lloyd Sam working out for you?
I don't wish to talk about that useless tossing sick note. He scabs $5 a week for doing shit all, but you can't blame me. I didn't sign him. That was the previous manager.
So what is with all this nonsense about being massive? Surely you realize you're just an average League One team? My little Chris Solly is more massive than you lot and he's only 5'3".
Being a small village team, you wouldn't understand about the greatness steeped in our history and the fact we have millions of supporters. Come back and talk about it when your attendance is improved.
But we are second in attendances, only behind Sheffield United. You're third, so that blows smoke up your arse.
Watch and learn, my friend. Watch and learn. Anyway, one thing we can both agree on is that Steve Waghorn is next for the sack. He doesn't like us laughing at him though. Ha ha.
Ha ha.
Ha ha.
Ha ha.
Banter.